Welcome back. In this video will be all about what to concentrate to clear prelims of AFO for the remaining days. Well, the first one is don't rush up with both prelims and mains now because only 10 days left, so it is time for you to concentrate only on prelims. And the next one is start taking full mocks, at least daily one mock. You'll be concentrating on prelims for the whole day, so you'll have a lot of time. So that will not be an issue for you to take at least one mock daily, so you can complete it easily. While taking mocks, most important thing you should practice is selection of questions. So in each section like English, quants and reasoning, you will be strong in some specified topics, so choose that first. And the next is analyzing the mock test results. The most important thing you should do after taking mocks is analyzing it to know where you did mistakes and learn how to rectify it. And the next is regarding cutoff. Do not limit yourself with the cutoff of last year or cutoff of previous years. Previous year cutoff will be in accordance with the number of vacancies in that particular year and number of members who wrote the exam, and also based on the difficulty of the questions in that particular year. So just go with the flow and try to score more than the previous year cutoff for the safer side this year. And next, regarding sectional cutoff, you should be careful in English section compared to quants and reasoning. Why I am saying this? Because many in Telegram are asking regarding the cutoff for the English section. Well, in English section, each question carries only 0.50 marks, that is half mark. So keeping this on mind, attend the number of questions needed. Where quants and reasoning section carries 1 mark for each question. Okay, well, follow all this. Sure, you will clear your prelims exam. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. And for mains, test series and free quiz, and also if you need any guidance regarding the AFO mains, you can join to the Telegram channel. I'll keep the link of the channel in description. You can go check it out there. Thank you. Thanks for watching.